Imagine standing in the middle of your home, envisioning the transformation it could undergo. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. You dream of a beautiful kitchen or a relaxing bathroom, but then the weight of budgeting for a renovation hits you. It's daunting, isn't it? The fear of overspending looms large. What if you exceed your budget and end up in financial despair? The risks are real, but today, we'll arm you with essential tips to navigate this process confidently. Effectively budgeting for a home renovation is crucial. Homeowners typically allocate between 5% and 15% of their home's value for renovations. For a $300,000 home, that translates to a budget ranging from $15,000 to $45,000. A well-planned budget helps you avoid overspending and ensures funds are allocated appropriately. Don't forget to include a contingency fund of 10 to 20% for unexpected expenses. Renovations often come with surprises, like hidden damages, so being prepared is key. Number 1. Set a firm budget and include your contingency fund. Begin by listing anticipated expenses, materials, labor, permits, and furnishings. Once you have this initial estimate, add that safety net of 10 to 20% for unforeseen costs. This approach minimizes stress and keeps your finances in check. Number 2. Plan thoroughly and prioritize your projects. Create a detailed list of required changes for each room and rank them based on necessity and budget impact. Consider how each renovation affects your home's overall value. Focusing on kitchens and bathrooms usually offers a better return on investment. Number 3. Get accurate estimates and quotes. Consult multiple contractors and ask for itemized quotes. Be specific about your needs and request detailed breakdowns of labor and materials. Building rapport with contractors can lead to better pricing and service, so don't hesitate to ask questions. Number 4. Save on materials and labor. Shop around at different suppliers and consider alternatives like recycled or surplus materials. Sometimes gently used fixtures from local salvage yards or online marketplaces can be just as good. Tackling smaller tasks yourself can also cut down on labor costs. Number 5. Consider low-cost alternatives. Instead of replacing functional items, think about refinishing or repurposing them. Resurfacing kitchen cabinets can rejuvenate their look without the expense of new ones. Even small updates, like changing hardware or adding a fresh coat of paint, can transform a space dramatically. Number 6. Manage your project efficiently. Take on the role of project manager to maintain control over timelines and budgets. Create a detailed schedule for each renovation phase and track expenses regularly. Setting up a temporary living space can minimize disruptions. Number 7. Research financing options. If borrowing money is necessary, look into home equity lines of credit or personal loans with lower interest rates than credit cards. Consulting with a financial advisor can guide you to the best options based on your financial situation. Number 8. Track expenses diligently. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to log every purchase as it occurs. Regularly reviewing expenses helps identify overspending early on, so adjustments can be made before things spiral out of control. Number 9. Be flexible with timelines. Rushing projects often results in higher costs due to expedited shipping fees or hiring additional help last minute. Allow buffer time in your schedule for unexpected delays. This approach ensures quality work without the pressure of tight deadlines. Number 10. Evaluate ROI after completion. Once your project is done, assess how it impacts your home's value. This could involve getting a professional appraisal or simply reflecting on the enjoyment gained from the changes made. Knowing the real costs involved in home renovations is crucial. The average kitchen remodel ranges from $25,000 to $50,000. Bathroom renovations typically fall between $10,000 and $20,000. Hidden expenses like permits and inspections can catch many homeowners off guard. So thorough research before starting a project is essential for staying within budget. Prioritizing renovation projects is vital for maximizing their impact while staying within budget. Focus on renovations that yield the highest ROI, such as kitchen and bathroom upgrades, which consistently rank at the top for value increase. Common mistakes to avoid include underestimating costs, neglecting to include a contingency fund, and ignoring functional improvements. Skipping research or failing to prioritize effectively can lead to overspending or hiring unqualified workers that compromise the quality of your renovation. By understanding financing options, tracking expenses diligently, making timely decisions, considering seasonal timing, and securing necessary permits, you can navigate this complex process effectively. To wrap up our journey into budgeting for renovations, remember that effective budgeting transforms what could be a stressful endeavor into an enjoyable experience. The importance of planning cannot be overstated. It is the cornerstone of any successful renovation project. What if I told you there are tools available that simplify this process even further? At Big Home Projects, we provide expert guidance to help you navigate the complexities of budgeting with ease. Our data-driven tools offer insights into average costs for various projects, empowering you to make informed decisions. Imagine transforming your dream renovations into reality while maintaining financial stability. So why wait? Visit our site today and discover how we can help you turn your home improvement dreams into achievable goals. Stay tuned for more valuable insights that will prepare you for every step of your home renovation journey.